Summer is almost here, so let's get our homes ready. Here with 4 project ideas to update our living spaces is home improvement and lifestyle expert Kathryn Emery. Kathryn, I always love talking to you.
Girl, I love talking to you, and guess what? We're talking about the most wonderful time of the year, summer.
Summer, love it. So where do we start?
So let's enjoy that summer sunshine, but keep ourselves protected from those harsh UV rays. So Coolaroo makes amazing shade products. This is their roller shades. You can put them on your deck, your patio, your pergola, your porch. It's going to give you that UV protection, also create some privacy. That material is super durable. It's also mold, mildew, and fade resistant. But here's what I love. It's breathable, so you can actually feel that summer breeze underneath. It comes in 4 to 10 feet. It's a DIY. You can actually go out and buy these and install them yourself. And check out this hand crank mechanism. I just love how easy it is to open and close them. You know what? They're so smart. They knew they were onto something with this HDPE fabric. They make pet beds. You want to keep Fluffy off the ground, right? Keep them cool this summer. It's also better on their joints. So Coolaroo is going to keep you cool this summer, girl. Pun intended.
There you go. So it's keeping you cool and keeping your pets happy. Let's talk about our yards. Yards can get kind of messy at summer. We're always out there. Any tips to keeping our yard organized?
Absolutely. Invest in a shed and make sure you get a shed that's big enough to store it all. So Rubbermaid launched at Home Depot a 10.5 by 7 foot shed. It's Rubbermaid. You know it's going to be durable and long lasting. It's got reinforced wall panels that's going to hold heavy items. Each panel holds up to 75 pounds. That roof is strong. It's going to support heavy snowfall in the winters, rain. It's weather resistant all year long. What I really love, Laura, is those shed accessories. So you can really personalize it for your family. You just click on the different accessories with those little red hooks there, but you're putting up tools, shovels, garden hoses, sports equipment. Super easy to maintain. You can build it with tools around your house. So if you can't find me this summer, I just might be hiding out there in that amazing shed.
In your shed. I love it. So Kathryn, you're the expert. I have to know, what's a summer project that you have planned?
Girl, let's paint. So Beyond Paint is going to paint anything in your house besides your walls. So cabinets, furniture, countertops, vanities, even glazed tile. It's going to bond to nearly any surface. No stripping, no sanding, no priming. It's an all-in-one bonder, primer, and a sealer. It's a water-based formula, low VOC, non-toxic, goes on super easy application. Like I said, it bonds to virtually anything. Masonry, glass, linoleum, plastic, formica. Great for indoor and outdoor projects. This nanotechnology makes it 4 times more durable than regular paint and UV resistant. Save thousands of dollars on costly home renovations with $150. So girl, I guarantee, look around your house. I know you have something that could be painted. Go to beyondpaint.com, put in the code BESTHOME. They're going to give you 15% off to try it out. You're going to be hooked. We're painting patio furniture. We're doing all sorts of projects around here.
Love it, Kathryn. We can paint together. Let's do that.
Let's do it. Let's do it. We just need somebody bringing us cocktails in between.
Well, there you go. That sounds amazing. Really quick, before we're out of time, can you share a quick cleaning shortcut for the outside of our homes?
Of course. You know I'm always looking to make things easy, so I love 2-in-1 products, and this is Rejuvenate House Wash and Window Cleaner all in one bottle. You simply attach your garden hose, you're good to go. You're getting rid of dirt, pollen, residue. You can spray your house. It's leaving streak-free windows behind. No need for ladders. You can get those second stories, because I don't know about you, I'm a little dangerous on a ladder.
Ladders do make me nervous.
Right, me too. And it reaches that second story, which is so great. It's safe for plants and grass. You simply rinse the surface, spray on the formula, wait 2 minutes, rinse it again. As you can see, we are cleaning everything outside with a garden hose in this
Look
formula.
at that.
Amazing.
Kathryn, you have given us so many tips. Where can we go for more information?
Everybody should go to BeTheBestHome.com to learn about all these awesome products and more great home improvement tips.
Love it, Kathryn. It was such a joy talking to you.
You're the best, girl. Happy almost summer. Enjoy.